All right. Morning, afternoon, wherever you are on this planet. Let's get in it. Let's get it. All right, so quick reference. Still dealing with that huge gap. Yesterday's close. Low. Got a hustle here. It's a naked close from that gap. Something like that. We are currently trading in the middle of it. Still worried about that gap. All right. Current gap is very, very tight. Morning, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Where's my chat at? Morning, Minsky. News-wise, PC dropped. I think the numbers so much slighter bad. I think the market overall is still waiting for more ceasefire news and shit. Probably more of the same as yesterday. See what we got cooking. Still need new data probably. Yesterday's close. 25,000 is still a big level. Gonna have to redo all those numbers though. Probably best thing is to wait for new levels. See what's up on the book. Let me get a sip of my coffee first. Trying to add a bot to the chat, but I'm not sure how that works. It's gonna be for later. Jesus, this overnight, it's the first time I see the overnight choppy like this. Got a few shorts in other account, longs towards. Where's my pen? I saw the move up. Oh my god, why is this not working? So yesterday I saw some levels. So basically planned out price to move towards that price. Price was moving up here. Got some longs towards that level and then shorted it on another account. They tried to short again on the earn trade account. Up here was break even. Price was unable to push through. I just went away because of FOMC minutes. I was just cooked. My brain was done for the day. That would have been a nice move to sit in. I just didn't want to sit in through or get myself in a hole like end of the session. That would have not made sense. Would have played out though. One minute. We are literally going to open at the close from yesterday. Nice. No need to draw a half gap, I guess.
Connection lost.
There goes Shitmick. It's crazy how that connection just dies upon open every fucking single time. It's crazy. About to switch back to DX feed, I think. We'll see how it goes today, but Just curious, am I the only one struggling with like the connection issues up on open with Rhythmic? Look at her go. Could have been a nice short. YouTube pays, you get the same stuff, same connection issue stuff. I think yesterday was only up on open too. Trying to be patient here with some Gex levels. See where the money's at. Also, no H up on the opening type because we basically opened up at that level. I do like the short, but kind of want to wait on some levels. Oh yeah, always when it matters. Still waiting for levels. I like to move back to 25,000 though, but and that was a perfect level to short. Absorption, high volume pivot. Not sure why the data is coming through so late. Yep, that would have been the short. Looks choppy. Looks choppy. Morning, JP. Chitty. That's all good, man. That's all good. I'm just gonna call you JP from now. Dr. JP. Krishai. Okay. Try and remember. Maybe you can change your name. That could be cool too, right? Imagine that. I'm not going along right now. Just trying to wait for data. There's freaking nothing coming through. Am I doing something wrong? There's support here, 26. Don't want to short against it too close. Could be more aggressive at 68s. I kind of want to see some rejection, order flow. It's the first time Gex is really struggling with putting data through. Let me see what's up.
Pre-market whispers, screen glowing low, NASDAQ futures gap down, watch the pressure grow. Fingers of a code, over keys is still the fate. Will the gap hold steady, it's still the bulls late. Negative gamma lurks, a phantom in the code. Algorithms whisper a heavy silent load. The open bell's a gunshot, echoes through the pit. Who blinks first, losers gotta make the play legit. Gap down on the open, futures bleeding red, will they trap us in a hole? Leader gamma dead, or the bulls gon' rally, push the price back high. Close the gap, make a play, touch the bleeding sky. This game's a chess match, play with bullets in the dark. One wrong move, margin call, leaves a final mark. Gap down on the open, futures bleeding red. Level 2's a battlefield, or the shift like sand. Bears pressing hard, trying to crush the promised land. Candle wicks like blood trails, painting fear and doubt. Every tick a heartbeat, trying to find a way out. Sweat on the brow, the tension cuts the air. Watching gamma flip, beyond the charts and where the algo start to panic or the humans take control. It's negative pressure digging deep into the soul. Got down on the open, futures bleeding red, will they trap us in a hole? Either gamma dead or the bulls.
It's kind of trading in the middle of a level. Brother. Kind of want to pull my order. Really? Kind of want to be filled and then see that initial push. Don't want to be, if it goes up now, I'm going to be very skeptical. Good scalp though. It's literally in the middle.
slow, green light flashing. The game plays, the game plays, the game plays on.
Jeez, this profile looks so weird. From the 90-day, it looks like this could be somewhat of a bounce point in 33s, where it basically bounced from. If it's able to push through 90s. Oh, really? Just give me data. Maybe do a little bit of a flip. It's like a whole gap here. This could rip. I just want my data. Something's not right, like it's not updating. A 50 level probably was a good one to long against. From an open perspective, you want to see it trade above the opening price. If this drops below the opening price, it's like an open auction chop shit. The most obvious thing would for it to round out here and go. That's what I would wait for. I'm gonna wait for it to confirm up and then potentially look for a short long. Don't want a long against this. It's like an absorption level. Looks good though. Krisha. Maybe if we get back to the bottom here, maybe. Not sure why she's Krisha.
Krisha.
Oh, now we got data. Took you freaking long enough.
Pre-market scan, I'm locked in the zone. Levels get drawn while the weak stay at home. Orderflow speaks in a language I know. Deepcharts whisper where the big money flows. Tick by tick, I read between the lines. GexBot humming, catching all the signs. No FOMO plays, I just wait my turn while these rookies burn. Watch the candles churn. I don't chase trades, I let the setup come. NASDAQ futures like a loaded gun. Live on YouTube, see the algos run. Money moves silent when the track gets sprung. Liquidity pools where the sharks all feed. Dime shows the pain, I can smell the greed. Gamma exposure like a chessboard game. Checkmate moves when the VIX goes insane. Tick tock, market clock never lies. Bid ass spread tells me who's gonna die. No second guesses when the tape don't lie. Either get right or get left behind. I don't chase trades, I let the setup come. NASDAQ futures like a loaded gun. Live on YouTube, see the algos run. Money moves silent when the trap gets sprung. Screen goes dark, but the place stay lit. Morning comes, bet I'm back on it. G on the flow with the traders wit. Charts don't lie, just follow the script.
See, that 50 level was a good one. Huh? Wish I could pull that data so much earlier. So this is the opening range, the 1 minute. Tight. She's tight. It's really tight. Yesterday was a really tight session overall. And at the moment, she's like making up her mind. Maybe she's waiting for something. Maybe the world's waiting for something. I was really contemplating a short against that level. But that was again in the middle of it all. Would have been justified though. Looking for that 900 level. Again, I don't want to move initiated. Entries could have been here in the middle, potentially. Don't want to go short against after that impulse. Kind of want to wait now. It's gonna rip though. If it rips here, it's gonna be a quick move. 25,000. See what happens here. Overall, I'm looking for 24,900. As long as we stay under 25,000, that is though, obviously. Just not a fan of how Orderflow is positioned here. Like the major negative is down and positive is up. Kind of like it the other way around though. Some support building. Just the opening type of the current day. We opened up at the close yesterday. This makes it less obvious directional wise what she's trying to do. Meaning, I think this is one of the most balanced openings one could have. Opening in range in value at the close from yesterday's session. This Wix 14 is gonna flush. One short, but I don't want short here. Maybe some like that. Maybe. This looks like she wants to flush though. it at 50s. Otherwise, I don't want to short it. Where's yesterday's low? 926. This would have been the right move. Short here. Y'all were too bullish. Not that I really care what someone else is saying, but just didn't want short in the middle of this all. In hindsight, this was perfect, but yeah. Orderflow is bearish on the spice, obviously. I pay the quarterly. So every 3 months I pay 300, a little bit less, I think. Like they'll do sales like, I think they're doing a sale right now too, like minus 30%. It's worth it though, because they got so much order flow. You can adjust, for example, this 40 range chart, the bubbles and such. You don't need bookmap or something like that to have this. So you can save money doing just putting everything in one platform. Yeah, I wish I could give you a referral so you could pay less, but that ain't the case. But I think they're doing an Easter sale though, so I just like it because it's like an order flow package all in one. Plus, the dudes running the shit are order flow traders, like the good ones, young people, innovating people, always updating the deep charts too. So it's only going to get better. Morning, CJ. I'm tired today, dude. Where's the resistance? Support 975. A little bit here. If you flush here, 975. Not that much lower. It's basically the target I'm looking for. Kind of want to do business there, NASDAQ. This could be the flush. If the bars fail here, this could be a flush, but I'm gonna wait for a retrace. It's too shallow, too short for me here. That's a level. Might work though, but with how she's been moving, damn, no trades yet. It's been 31 minutes. What the hell? Just one fake out to the upside NASDAQ. Can you do it? I just don't want to short against all of this. This would be the most bearish thing though. If you start flushing and using that as resistance, that would be really bad. Kind of want to use the green side here to short against and use as protection. Like 50s is around here, and then I got all of that support or resist, yeah, support for the trade. Not sure I'm gonna get it though. Still on the low side of a bull pivot, so 25,000 could be a range. Unless we lose 25,000. A little bit worried about this being a bull pivot. Let's see what happens if we hit the 50s. Very much range bound though. A little bit higher NASDAQ. They dropped it though. That means, damn, okay. Just gonna go for it. I'm front running everything here though. There's a lot of buying coming in here too. Kind of want to see seller step in here. I want to see some bubbles. Technically, I could protect myself very tight though. I could use a 10-point stop on this one. Keep on pushing. Kind of just have to do something like this. Just don't watch the freaking stop loss and take profit. No, it's right. I made it with AI music. Flash it. Like, definitely people buying here. There's a lot of orders here. People are gonna get squeezed. If you can just wick, the only thing I want, wick. Give it a try, NASDAQ. Just give it a try. I dare you to wick it. And then, as Fabio would say, if we hit this level, we accelerate. Straight to my take profit. No pullbacks. Buyers trying to step in here. You want to see price continue go down. Otherwise, this is somewhat of an absorption level. Come on, buddy. How do I protect myself here? I'm gonna give it a full 7 points. Just a little try at the tens. Just try and touch it. Come on, buddy. Know you want it. If we close below, I can go real break even. 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4. I could go break even now. And then you go past tens and then you do yes, more. I'm being greedy. I'm being fucking greedy. That's absorption. Trying to be patient here. Next tests of the lows, I'm going securing some profits. Securing some profits, 500 bucks. 500 bucks. I'm gonna regret trailing. I'm gonna regret it. It's a big level though. Do it. Kind of want to see it melt through the level, and if it starts pushing that level, we'll secure more profits. My stop is just too tight to give it room. At the same time, this level is too big to... I'm going to be stopped here. Oh, it's all fine, it's all good. It's all good. I really wanted to see the acceleration. This was kind of a perfect setup. Market's also really tight. Tight as in she's not... There's no directional movement, as in on the bigger picture. She's really not accelerating. If I pull up, so this is the 30-minute IB. We are still inside of it, back in value. See buyers trying to push it. This is very tight. I think I can even do the 15 and she will still be inside of it. No? She closed barely outside of it, but there's somewhat down pressure on the 15-minute. Okay. It's just, yeah. Market has to close the gap down. That's a very dangerous statement to make, sir. She will at one point, but like 24,900, everything above that, I don't think about gap closes. I want to see 900 loose, and then if she really keeps selling off, I will be more inclined to go for that gap close. Just the opening type of it is just so freaking balanced. She will probably test lower, I reckon. Pressure-wise, pressure is down. It's just like the spurts up and then down and then chops and then takes freaking 17 hours and then eventually again, boom. It's just the current market condition, I think. Especially with what's going on overseas. Like, I just don't want to sit through all that pullback and then so much for my Orderflow is super bearish though on the spice. Selling them calls and buying them puts. Overall, the weight is down on the spice. If I were more aggressive, probably re-entering would have been a nice thing to do. That was the move I was looking for. Now we're about to hit like 975. Don't want to short against that too close here. It's only going to be looking really spooky if she loses that and starts selling off from that. And I do anticipate 24,900 though. Just passed another loose hit. Nice, man. Well done. Well done. A 75 seems to be a big level here. I would have been a one and done NASDAQ if you just would have done it earlier. What's this song, dude? Krisha. I even got my own song.
Monday through Friday grind. Yeah. Deepcharts up on the main screen flicking. Orderflow pattern stick like the tension. Watching that delta spike like a heartbeat jumping. Big trades coming in, feel the money pumping. Volume profile, paint the picture clear. See where the weak hands shed a tear. Option flow, whisper secrets loud and true. This ain't no game, son, it's what we do. From the hideout, encrypted feed, planting seeds. Fulfilling every greed, track the whales. See where they swimming before the herd even knows they're winning. Profile hideout, live streaming the heat. Monday to Friday, can't miss a beat. Deepcharts tools, see the order flow bleed. Big trades calling, fulfilling the need. Delta screaming, volume, profiles deep. Options flow secrets, the promises I keep. From the shadow, watch the market weep. This ain't no playground, this game I read. Break down the levels, set the trap tight. See the imbalance bathed in the screen's light. Gamma exposure, yeah, we track that too. Know the pressure points before the move is through. Liquidity zones where the battles commence. We position early, building the defense. The check going wild, but the focus stay cold. Reading the tape, watching the story unfold. This ain't no hobby, just the street apply. Financial warfare, nowhere to hide. The stream is live, the knowledge is power. Watch the clock tick, minute by hour. Profile hideout, volume spikes, delta grows, options shift, deep charts know. The hideout hums, where the real money goes. Profile hideout, live streaming the heat. Monday to Friday, can't miss a beat. Deep charts tools, see the order flow bleed. Big trades calling, fulfilling the need.
Point blank 75 bounce. Ain't that interesting? The red lines, magical lines, or the red magical lines. Those are Gex levels. Options flow. It's where the options are positioned. So on GexBot's website, I can choose between my tools. And there's also a research tab where I can look up all stocks. I mean, a lot of stocks, and pull data from them, see what's up with them. But I trade NASDAQ, so I pull up NDX or the Qs. Potato. The Qs is just like this, the level is 610. Then you have to like convert that level for it to make sense on NQ. But it's basically using these levels as support or resistance. This is where huge interest is, right? So for example, let's go back to the Qs, NDX. So here's just like a major wall, it's big level, 24,900. Here, 25,000. And then increments, you can see where the volume is, and then there's interest. But whenever price hits those levels, people need to start taking action. It's basically how I look at it. It's a rabbit hole worthwhile diving into. Yeah, it's a great tool. No worries. Yeah, man, freaking tired. There's some very slight support here against that major level. I think for price to really be bearish, we need to see pressure to the other side. We're using the heavy negative gamma support. Yeah, that would be the real bearish part if we start diving into those levels and do that. I really don't have too much expectations for today's price action, I think. I could be very wrong, but that's how I feel about it. Alright, cool. Stick a little scalp on an account which needed $200 to get funded. Inflation rate news tomorrow. That could be a thing. Let's see what we got on the financial juice. Excuse me. So today with PCE, looks like the data's not good. Let me see, US GDP only 0.5, less than expected is probably not a good thing. Let's see what we got tomorrow. CPI is that's CPI is CPI. So those are both market movers. Interesting. Yeah, that could be a thing. That could be a thing. We get a rate statement too in April. That's like in 3 weeks. Damn, in May, Fitcher Powell is done. Damn. That's a new era. So I might grab another cup of coffee here. I'll be right back.
Connection lost. Connected.
We're just getting started, it's a part of the game. Building anticipation, getting close to the edge. No, you think I see you more than a friend. Better late than read you front to back. I could tell you want it bad. Like it when you want attack. Come on over, make me mad. Now it's all over me. These reflections of you. Who you want me to be? Do I wanna be too? Now it's all over me. These reflections of you. Who you want me to be? Do I wanna be too? Is it only a dream? Is it only a dream? We're just getting started, it's a part of the game.
Bands to the red side. She pull out with a friend and I'm on it like a red dye. I got my sights on a headshot. Yeah, shit, she got a man, let her leg drop. Both sides, switched up out of blue, yeah, she played both sides. Club from door to door, tryna change her life. Nah, it's stupid. I can tell just by the way you talk, yeah, you do this often. Know that you know what to do, just by the way you walk. Tell me any problem, no, I can solve it. You fight the post, go to the match, you like Michael Jordan. Both sides, yeah, switch your bottom tomorrow, you won't need him. Yeah, he only talking dollars, you won't see him, no. Her stain on her lips just like a demon. She got a dragon on her back, don't catch her breathing. Oh God, gotta keep that 40 just in case. And she ballin' like a lamb, nothing pretty but her face, oh God. Got Louis V around the waist, he wrapped around her finger.
All right, we're still pushing buttons. Let's see if anything changed. So we're currently at 950s and 900s. 900s is the big one. 850s, 900, 850s, 800. Guess that was the continuation play. Looked good though, just not that aggressive. Feel a bit really tired today. Could have been really way more aggressive. Could have, should have. Here, that was a nice level short. This was a good one. Didn't get the follow through I was looking for. This could have been a nice continuation. But again, the further we go down, the less the expected value for me is in the trade, even though I'm still looking for potential lower levels. Especially because he's like grinding down, hitting that block here. Maybe if she decides to run some stops and then potentially, but especially not here. Just not sure why that bot is not joining. Oh, really? Maybe I need to. I think I got it. Morning, sir. Morning. Oh, really? Yeah, not sure what's going on with that bot. There he is. There he is. Still a bit worried with order flow here. Like sellers losing pressure here. Everything basically turning flat. Still a lot of sell pressure though, overall. Everything slowed down a much. Hourly IB close to. Holy chop, Krishna. Krishai. You need to change your name, man. I'm gonna forget. It's interesting to see what happens here, to be honest. Crochet? Crochet. Is that the right one? Crochet. Dude, what kind of name? Where are you from, man? What kind of name is that? What's the origin? Tell me. Bro. Google. Meaning? Hindu name. So if you're from India, it means black or dark. It's a derivative of Lord Krishna. The 8th avatar of Vishnu. There you go, man. There you go. It's a bit of a real bad feel. I should protect myself way higher. I'm looking at this for a scalp. If this fails here, it's fine. Kinda needs to go something like that. Obviously. You want to get back in range? Yeah, looks like it's hitting that POC. Yeah, man, those are the fills, dude. Those are the fucking fills. This could be so nose driven too. If we rig that bubble, it's very likely to retrace it all though. This is like the last line of defense for me for short. Basically in the middle of it all. It's really not the most ideal part to join. This is gonna stop me in 0.2 seconds. Yeah. Could still be right though. I'm just way too tight. Because I don't trust it here. That's the middle of it all. Yeah, 25,000, such a big level here too. Should it be more the level to focus on? News? Probably news.
Connection lost.
Dude, I just went short. Fucking do this to me. What? Oh, word Mick. Oh shit, Mick.
Connected.
Didn't got the film. Didn't got the film. Damn it, man. I wanted to get filled. I pressed the button and I disconnect. I would have gone filled like way on top there. Fucking shit, Mick.
Departure to the radar contact at 18 miles. Train speed 250. Final bearing is 230.
Thanks. Thanks a lot, fucking Rhythmic. Just can't make this shit up, dude. It's crazy. Top of the hour is gonna close too in less than 2 minutes. Oh man, I really want to get my fill against that level.
I got the time today. I'm looking for all of the fades, want all of the smoke. All of my goals inside of the scope. I'm taking it healed and coming for more. Woke up, didn't even stretch. I'm placing my bets on myself. I be doing the most. Why you always talk like you wanted to go? I ain't gotta speak cause I already know. This ain't been new to me, a news to me. I came out the womb unique. Shine bright like jewelry. Of course you don't wanna fool with me. I got views to see and gifts to use. I got everything to gain and none to lose, and he can prove. I took his burden and yoke. It's like moose when I hit the moves. You can't tell me anything. I mean anything. That's for sure. I already know. I know my identity. My identity from the go.
10 seconds.
You already know. You can't tell me anything. I mean anything. That's for sure. I already know. I know my identity. My identity from the go.
It's kind of a bullish thing, like sellers pushing through, unable to push through. Kind of want to see it wick those red bubbles.
I'm spitting the truth. When I'm in the booth, I take you to school. This ain't a lesson. I put on this armor like it was my weapon. I'm stepping. The ops can leave. My props are these utilities he put inside of my belt. Feeling me, it's just the face I can tell. But really, the king is the one you can smell. This ain't been new to me, a news to me. I came out the womb unique. Shine bright like jewelry. Of course, you don't wanna fool with me. I got views to see and gifts to use. I got everything to gain and none to lose, and he can prove. I took his burden and yoke. It's like moose when I hit the moves. You can't tell me anything. I mean anything. That's for sure. I already know. I know my identity. My identity from the go. I told you I already know. You can't tell me anything. I mean anything. That's for sure. I already know. I know my identity. My identity from the go. I already
know. Yo, mic check 1 2. Streaming live from the hidden booth. Screens glowing in the dark where the real sharks make they mark. Monday through Friday grind. Deepcharts up on the main screen flicking. Orderflow pattern stick like the tension. Watching that delta spike like a heartbeat jumping. Big trades coming in, feel the money pumping. Volume profile, paint the picture clear. See where the weak hand shed a tear.
Balanced much?
Whisper secrets, loud and true. This ain't no game, son, this what we do. From the hideout, encrypted feed, planting seeds, fulfilling every greed. Track the whale, see where they swimming. Before the herd, even knows they winning. Profile.Hideout, live streaming the heat. Monday to Friday, can't miss a beat. Deepcharts too, see the order.
That's a lot of business being done there.
Calling, fulfilling the need, delta screaming. Volume profiles deep, options flow secrets. The promises I keep from the shadow. Watch the market.
Absorption at that level. It's a bullish thing here.
Break down the levels, set the trap tight.
That's a bullish thing.
Balance bathed in the screen's light. Gamma exposure, yeah, we track that too. Know the pressure points before the move is through. Liquidity zones where the battles commence. We position early, building the defense. The chat going wild, but the focus stay cold. Reading the tape, watching the story unfold. This ain't no hobby.
This has to start working 24s.
Financial warfare, nowhere to hide. The stream is live, the knowledge is power. Watch the clock tick minute by hour. Screens glow, data flow, volume spikes, delta growth, the hideout home. Where the
Movie still up.
Profile.Hideout, live streaming the heat. Monday to Friday, can't miss a beat. Deepcharts tools, see the Orderflow bleed. Big trades calling, fulfilling the need. Delta screaming, volume profiles deep. Options flow, secrets to promises.
Kind of want to add, but this is like such a absorption level here. If this fails, yes, but
Stream cuts to black. Stack the gains, ain't looking back. Hideout secure tools locked down tight. See y'all Monday for the next big fight. Mic drop.
kind of want to protect myself too, really quick. It's very likely to big back up. Kind of need to see continuation from those red bubbles. Don't want to be in. She goes back up.
Counting up the cash. Charts are like a crime scene, not a code. Every dipping peak, a heavy load.
Just very likely to stay around these levels.
Calculated risk, the moves I make.
The question is, do I flip?
Wednesday, Tyro walk. Listen to the market, silent talk. Thursday, hustle. Pressure start to build. Portfolio gain, my dreams fulfilled. Making money Monday to Friday, yeah, that's the plan. Navigating these markets, I'm the
Oh, there's like no news going on.
green to sand. Come Saturday morning, it's time to transcend. The fade refresh, yeah, the sharpest cut in town. Fresh lined up, keep my confidence crown. From the trading floor straight to the barber chair. That fresh fade power ain't nothing can compare. Friday close, the final bell rings out. Profit secure, no room for doubt. Shed the suit, the stress begins to fade. Just like the razor on the blade. Barbershop sanctuary, familiar scent. The master craftsman, time well spent. Mirror reflection, sharp and clean, defined. Resets the focus, clears the cluttered mind. That fresh cut feeling, a brand new start. Fuel for the hustle, fire in the heart. Making money Monday to Friday, yeah, that's the plan. Navigating these markets, I'm the main man. Digits climbing high, watch the green ascend. But come Saturday morning, it's time to transcend. That fade refresh, yeah, the sharpest cut in town. Fresh line up, keep my confidence crown. From the trading floor straight to the barber chair. That fresh fade power ain't nothing can compare. Weekend warrior, sharp looking fly. That clean fade energy, reaching for the sky. Market close, my edge still intact. Fresh cut precision, that's a proven fact.
It's getting sold into her.
Sharpen up the aim, ready for Monday, back into the game. Making money Monday to Friday, yeah, that's the plan. Navigating these markets, I'm the main man. Digits climbing high, watch the green ascend. But come Saturday morning, it's time to transcend. That fade refresh, yeah, the sharpest cut in town. Fresh line up, keep my confidence crown. From the trading floor straight to the barber chair. That fresh fade power ain't nothing can compare. Yeah, Friday night, fresh fade right.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ready for the next session. Market watch.
This is getting absorbed. Top and bottom, dude.
Gotta stay crisp. Gotta stay focused. Fade away.
Should have been more aggressive earlier on in the session. Getting myself involved in so much of chop. Stop really should be here. Very likely to be done too. Like, why am I trading this crap? Should have taken the profits and left. I'll be more aggressive.
Monday morning, screens glow cold. NASDAQ opens, stories unfold. Orderflow charts, the truth they hold. Watching money rivers flow, bold. Delta pressure building heat. Violent spies like heart attacks beat this concrete jungle. Take a seat where fortune made her face defeat.
Push through.
From the hideout, watch it tape. Monday to Friday, no escape.
push through. Just long and short at the wrong positions, really. Just should have cut that freaking sell here. That's what I hate about disconnects. Would have had a good film. Now I'm basically chasing something. If you could start wicking 37s, might add even. Or just leave it as it is. Stop is just way too tight and in a bad spot too. Like in the middle of all the chart. I'm using rhythmic, dude. Don't tease me, NASDAQ. Don't tease me. Absorbed again. Come on, buddy. Just a little. If you push through, that could be looking real good. At the same time, this could be looking real bad real quick too. Like where I could put my stop here though, would be not a good thing. It's a lot of sell pressure. That's a lot of sell pressure. Dude, what a miss. Look at these freaking bubbles. The price stops ticking. The candle stopped ticking. Can we... Dude, this is a mess. It's like news. Jesus. I kind of don't want to be in this freaking position, dude. Like a little bit of an explosion movement. Nice. Now we want continuation. On long two, I could take profits of one. Go, 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 go. And trailing really tired too. On trail, trade above that prior wick. Overall, that would be an idea. That's at 70, so we got here 74 is going to be resistance. 70, let's put one there. And then trail accordingly. I kind of want to I'm gonna be out. That's fine. Why is the opening range 1 minute opening range low being that aggressively resisting my profits? I'll take one. Now you can go to the moon. That's what you always do. It's big levels here, big levels. Shoving her up. And we're out, or are we gonna keep not taking me out and just keep going up? There's a lot of levels here though. It's a lot of resistance. If that pops, where did my the fuck happened? Bro, that put me short. Oh man, I messed up my order. Oh my god, what the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? I have to go back on stream, but I think I was... Man, that doesn't even make sense to me. What happened there? I thought I was just long. One remaining, I was trailing. And my take profit was here. And all of a sudden, it takes me out and puts me one short. Oh, what happened? I have no clue, dude. Fucking hell, what the hell happened? Oh my god. Rhythmic, what do you do to me? Is it me? Am I tired? Am I missing something? Did I do something wrong? Bro. Oh, Steve saw it. Like, sorry, man, I wasn't watching the chart. Damn, that was the case. Damn it. Oh my god. But not sure what happened. Like, I thought my take profit was here. Like the two contracts to exit was here, not here, right? Like, what? I have to watch back. I don't have a clue what just happened. Not sure what happened. Not sure. It's probably the data and just went too fast and then just, yeah, whatever. The last one, yeah, the last one I got out because it put me short. I didn't close the long though. It was a tough trade to sit in. But overall, what I was looking at was... so initially I was looking for the short, didn't got filled, or the connection dropped again. Price pushing down, went short, pushed, I think. I went break even, not sure what happened. But then a reaction like this, like there's a lot of bubbles on my chart. I understand there's a lot of bubbles on my chart because there's also a lot of volume being done right here. Whenever I see a hammer candle like that with red bubbles on the bottom, that means sellers are pushing hard and they're unable to push through. And the green bubble, that just confirms there's interest in this level. Combining that with some Gex levels, gamma, using that, I'm happy I put my stop below here because I came very, very close to getting stopped out. But this is where the stop should have been. This is where it got absorbed. Also on the left side here, that was good, everything good. I was contemplating to add more, but this market, it's not the right market to do so, I think. Maybe somewhere here once we cross back above that bearish candle here, but that went fast, I think. Anyway. Let's see what's happening, huh? News. Let's see what's going on here. Then was it this? Israel agreed to be helpful partner. 17. I mean, that was late. Oh. Anyway, I'm probably gonna be done. Was that 24,100? Where is the order flow? Let's see, 100s are here. This last line of resistance, you could say. If we pop that, it's like a freeway towards 200s and then 300s. This is like a bull zone top level. Basically, if you look at it, it's like a little bit of a zone. I think we've basically been trading us out of this. That's definitely not something I want to short. That's brutal though. How many points did I leave on the table then? So I gave back 10 points because of the short entry. And then I left basically, it went basically to the freaking take profit, which is 30 points higher, which is like 600 bucks. So that would have added up like 1800, I think. Yeah. Well, good. Just giving some back here, trying to short some profile levels. Basically, just looking at this whole zone to short from or against, like the POC and the value area low from that session. Use the support afterwards as a thing. It's just a lot of noise on my chart, and I got, let me see, deep trade set 50. Well, there's just a lot of volume being done here. And I like to put it somewhat lower to see some more information if needed. Looks like that was a nice short. It's not something I want to short against. Still looks strong though.
Deepcharts up on the main screen flicking. Orderflow pattern stick like the tension. Watching that delta spike like a heartbeat. Jumping big trades coming in. Feel the money pumping. Volume profile paint the picture clear. See where the weak hand shed a tear. Option flow whisper secrets loud and true. This ain't no game, son. It's what we do.
Some support at the 75s. But again, from an EV perspective, if this is the range, you're basically anticipating price to break out and keep going. Expected value wise is not ideal. What time is it? Like half an hour before lunchtime. I think that seems like a good idea to wrap it up for today. See what CPI does tomorrow. Maybe that'll open up price, because we currently are still very well met down. This very much inside yesterday's value without hitting the extremes of prior session. This is super balanced. Yeah. All right, buddies. I think I'll see everyone tomorrow. Last day of the week. Let's finish green. Yeah, I'm gonna leave here. I'm tired. I'm gonna eat. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Peace.